How to add category in TikTok Shop. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to add category in TikTok Shop. Well, if you have your TikTok Shop, then what you're going to do is you have to go to your profile. Basically, if you tap this basket icon right here, or if you're on the TikTok Shop Creator Center, you should see this Earn with Showcase and click Add Product right here. So basically, if you tap this Add button right here, it will take you to categories. As you can see, categories for you. What you're going to do here is you have to scroll and look for that product that you want to add to your TikTok shop. So if you want to add categories for sunglasses, for watches, then you just have to simply click that icon or that item. It will take you directly to the products related to that. So for example, this one right here, and if you want to add, just click this add button. Now, if you're looking for a specific product, let's just say if you want to look for shoes or shirts, something like that. So what you're going to do is you have to go back and then click the search icon at the top and then search for the right keyword. For example, if you're looking for shoes, like what I mentioned earlier, then you will see here shoes or any items related to shoes or brands, something like that. But basically, if you want to add category, just go to your TikTok shop creator. You will see a button here, add, and then just click that one. It will take you to some categories here that you can add for your TikTok shop. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.